we took a break. You know, sometimes you gotta take breaks because if you just go, it's gonna be too much. I'm being quiet because Marcos is putting Emmy to sleep. So remember I did this wall and the trims. Today we're gonna tackle, well tonight we're gonna tackle the white. So I'm guessing we'll paint for like an hour or two. Let's see if we can get it done. Frost. I literally can't open the paint. So I guess I'm waiting for Marcos. What are you gonna use that for?
Just, I don't know, for cabinets and stuff.
Oh.
Alright. We'll get a new one.
We finished the white. It's still drying, so it might look kind of patchy. What a difference. Ignore the door. And this green is so cute. Hey guys, it's Tuesday. Marcos is at work. Emmy's sleeping. So I was thinking I'm gonna get the rest of the carpet out of our room. Marcos doesn't know, so it'll be a nice surprise for him. New plan. I'm too freaking weak. It's crazy. I used to be so strong as a gymnast. I'm too weak to move it by myself, so I think I'm gonna go into Emmy's room, finish the touch-ups, and clean out the closet because we're gonna paint that next before we set up her room. And we got some stuff in the mail. We got her bed and some other stuff. I'm really excited. I'm gonna start by taking out the garbage and stuff and then packing up our tools and everything in the boxes and then heading them to our room. So we took out the shelves and that's basically all we're doing tonight because then we have to vacuum and then sand and then we're going to paint the closet green and then I'll finish the touch-ups on the trimming. And he repainted this because we were kind of dumb and didn't cover it when we were painting. Yeah, and he put on one of them.
So that one and this one. It's a little dirty though.
I was gonna say, why are they a little dirty?
Sorry.
You have dirty hands from work? Don't wipe it anymore, please.
Sorry.
Gotta make sure to baby proof because she's in her curious stage and she doesn't understand everything, so she knows eat, drink, and milk. Cool. Hello everyone, it's Friday. We haven't done much with the house, but this week I did start my garden, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that into it. So today I picked up these two big pots because I got some potatoes and I was gonna do the potatoes in containers. I also got that bag of soil and I'm gonna drill some holes and get it going. Happy Saturday. Saturday. So we are headed to Home Depot to pick up trim for Emmy's room and maybe some garden stuff. Yeah. We bought 12 bags of soil. We need 50, so we'll come back another time. Probably be coming back and forth during the week. Emmy ditched me for daddy.
Where it looks kind of even. Like here?
Yeah. We got the bed done, well, half of it. And then we're starting the fence because I can't plant, otherwise the deer will just eat everything. We're finding out that, well, we knew this, I don't know why we didn't think of it, but there's lots of bedrock here. If you don't notice in the background, all the rocks. So we got to be a little, it's not going to be as perfect as we wanted it, but it still will look nice enough. All right, we had a little break because it was thundering for like 30 minutes, but we're back. Gonna put the fence up. I have Emmy on my back now, so a workout at the same time. Oh.
Looks good?
Mm-hmm.
We'll just leave it like that.
Just giving you guys a little look of the terrain we have here. The moss spots are just big stones and rocks and everything, which is why we needed a bed. We're working on the fence. I mean the door. Well, it's a part of the fence, so. Oh.
Still need some buttoning up, but this is our first garden slash play area for Emmy. So eventually what we're going to do is we're going to do real wood fencing. It's going to go along the driveway here to each tree pretty much, and then make a big perimeter. And I mean, I don't know if we'll go that far because that'll be pretty expensive, but definitely at least to the end of the deck over there. But we'll connect each tree.
Okay, you guys, we're closing up for the day. Look at that cute little door. Listen, we don't have all the money to get those fancy gates right now, but this will do for the summer. Doesn't look too bad. We still have a couple things we need to do, but we get to put the garden out and have a little play area. So we're excited. Time to clean up and make some dinner. Our second trip today. Got Emmy's trim and a few more things for the garden fence.
Just this one?
All right, it's Saturday night and we're doing the trim. Don't get the floor.
I know. We're using the quiet tools.
Yeah.
So we don't wake up our daughter. I'm try not to make noise.
Should we do it outside?
No, at that point I'll use the power tool.
Do it over the paper.
Alright, you know what? Screw it. We'll do it with the power tools.
Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. He was videoing from the window.
To just do it in 2 seconds. You're shining light in my face. I can't see anything.
It's too high.
Can you come in and just pick up that?
Before. After.
Ta-da!
Ooh. Good morning. Happy Sunday. We are finishing the trim right now. Our goal is to completely have Emmy's room painted, trimmed, and we'll let it dry for a few days. I'll clean the floors, and hopefully next video you will see Emmy's room completely filled with furniture. So we did last night this side, those two, and we're starting from the door. We're gonna work our way here, all the way around. Once we get there, we are then gonna go into here to start sanding and painting, and then we'll get the trim done in here. Oh, dang. So we're sanding, and I'm not even gonna front with you guys, but the person who lived here had cat litter in here. The cats are going to the bathroom, and there's some squirted all over the wall. So sanding all that off, vacuum, wipe down, and painting over it with the scent blocking paint is gonna be life-changing. So the house, like I said, had no trimming, so this is like what I'm dealing with here. Well, here's a before, and then after. Sorry, this screen's not very clear. After it's empty, then we'll put the trim on. Look at that. How does that look like to you? Disgusting. Don't get me wrong, this guy seemed very nice, you know, I'm not trying to judge him or nothing, but we just can't live this way, you know? And we're not gonna let our daughter stay in here like this, in this condition.